What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to make your chords saucier and not as simple, alright? So let's get right into it. Now there's nothing wrong with a simple chord, but there are some stuff you can do to jazz up a chord and make it sound way smoother, alright? We have this simple A minor chord here. It's a simple chord, it's just A, C, and E. Now what we can do to spice this up a little bit is just copy this bass note, the root note, bring it down. Now we have a bass note here. We can also do that same thing with this middle note, or it's also called the fifth if you're familiar with that. We could copy that over here too, and this is just going to make the chord a little bit more full. So here, let's hear it without it again. And with these two bass notes. See, it gives it a lot more fullness. Now we could do that same thing as well. We could put this A up here and layer it, or we could just drag the A up, which would turn this into an inverse chord. Still the same chord, but it sounds different, alright? Now we have this space right here as well. Not much going on here. We could actually put in little notes here in this space to give it kind of a rhythm. We'll just start with the root note. Now you can see that's starting to get its own sauce, its own rhythm there. Just by messing with that chord, we got something completely different, but it's going to add so much more sauce to our melody progression. Now you can even do the same thing. Just bring this over. Some notes. You can copy this over, and if you don't like those rhythm notes that we added, we could just delete those and keep those for the second part. Keep going with the chord progression, but that's essentially it. You can really get some serious sauce with your chords just by doing some layering, rearranging, some inverse chords, adding some rhythm notes, all of that stuff. You can get some serious sauce. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.